Hello everyone, my name is Zubair. Thank you for purchasing Acumen GPS track vehicle tracking device. This is GPS device which you probably purchased. Through this video, we are going to teach you how you can easily activate the GPS device with the help of a user manual. So let's do the unboxing of the device. The first thing is that Acumen GPS device always come in this box and it always having a company installed seal which is like this. So whenever you purchase a device, you please rest ensure the device which you got which has a seal, right? So how we can do the installation in our vehicle? Let's learn through this video. Let me tell you what all are the products which comes inside the box. So you will be getting a wire. This is GPS wire. You will be getting a GPS device which is like this. You will be getting a relay. This is the relay. You will be getting the coupler which is this, and apart from this you will be getting a user manual of the GPS device which teach you how you can do the activation step by step, which is like this. There is a warranty card along with the IMEI number of your device which is mentioned right there, and the SIM card. So these all are the products which comes inside the GPS device. So the process to activate device is very simple. This GPS device support 9VA to 90VA any vehicle. So you can use this GPS device in all kind of vehicle which is having a battery of 9VA to 90VA. So let's quickly learn the process. What is the first process? The first process is this. This GPS device is having the Airtel SIM card which comes in unactivated mode. So the first step is to activate the SIM card. Either you can use your own SIM card if you wish. If you don't want to use your own SIM card, you can activate this SIM card. The SIM card which we are providing you, this is basically Acumen SIM card, which is very much economical if we compare it from the market prices. So the activation process is very simple. There is our activation team number which is 9910498240. You just say hello on this number and send your any KYC document which could be your Aadhaar card, your voter ID card, your driving license. So out of this you can send any document, and then after you will be getting a payment link to recharge the SIM card. You can recharge your SIM card which can be recharged at very economical price for an annual rental. Then after you not need to recharge it throughout the year. Every GPS device required a SIM card, as we use the SIM card in the mobile phone. Same way SIM card required for the GPS device in order it works. So let's quickly learn after doing the SIM card recharge how we can activate the device. So the first step is to insert the SIM card. Once your SIM card is activated and confirmed from our activation team, you take the SIM card out from here, and what all you need to do is you need to just insert the SIM card in our GPS device. This is the SIM card slot which you can show. That's right there. And you see one thing right here. There is a cut sides of the SIM card right of the GPS device like this. And with the help of any pin or anything which can press the SIM card inside, we can just push it inside. This way SIM card will be inserted, and after 1 or 2 minutes you will see a sharp 2 light right there of yellow and blue color, which is the sign SIM card is perfectly inserted in the GPS device. In some cases light could not be connected until we not connect the GPS device with vehicle battery. So that's not necessary. Every time lights come, sometime it could not come. Anyways, so what we will do, we can just keep this like this, and then we will go for the GPS wiring. Wiring is again very simple, and it is always being advisable. The type of vehicle you are going to install in the GPS device, what you need to do is you always being advised to visit any nearby car electrician, bike electrician, or any kind of mechanic according to your vehicle, so that wiring could be done correctly. So the first thing is this: you need just to connect this cord with the GPS device, and there are 4 wires. The wires are the red and the black, orange and yellow. Red wire will be connected with the vehicle battery plus terminal, or any place where direct plus current is coming. So you can connect this wire right there in the vehicle. And this is black wire, which is the earth wire. You can simply connect anywhere where ground earthing is coming. This is orange wire. Orange wire will be connected with vehicle ignition wire, the wire which supply the power to the ignition switch. To that wire, this wire will be connected, so that you can get the correct alerts of ignition on, ignition off. And then this is yellow wire. This wire will be connected with the relay. Let me tell you what is the uses of relay. Relay uses is basically for the engine cut-off purpose. In order to cut off the engine, we basically use the relay. So first of all, what we will do is we will connect this connector with the relay like this. Just hold down. Let me show you how we can connect this. Like this, we can connect the coupler. And in relay there are 4 wires. One wire is white, another wire is yellow, and 2 wires is green. This white color wire will be connected with GPS yellow wire like this. You need to connect this with the GPS white wire, and then after there is a yellow wire of the relay which will be connected with the red wire of GPS device. The place where you are connecting the red wire for the direct supply, you need to connect the same yellow relay wire with the red wire. Or you can do one thing, you can add both wire at one place and can attach with the direct power supply. Then after there are 2 wires remaining. These 2 wires are basically the wires of relay which need to connect with ignition. How we can do this? Let's suppose this is ignition wire which is doing the supply of the ignition. So what usually happens, whenever we switch on the ignition, this wire start getting the current. So let's do one thing, switch off the ignition and cut the wire like this. When we will cut wire, so this wire will be turned into 2 pieces. So what we need to do is, we need to make a series of relay wire with the ignition wire. Let's suppose this is our ignition wire. So what we will do is, we will connect this wire like this with relay. One side wire will be connected like this, and another wire will be connected like this. So this way our series will become ignition, 2 pieces of wire will be connected with each of green wire, which means your series will become. So whenever you will henceforth on the ignition of your vehicle, the current will always be supplied through the relay. So this is the simple process of doing the wire. After doing this all the wiring, what all you need to do is, you just do you please ensure this thing from your mechanic, he using the correct taping everywhere where wiring has done. And one more thing he can do is, the place where he is keeping the GPS device, so he can what he can do is, basically he can fix the device with the help of any tie, so that this device should not move around there. Otherwise the functionality and the quality of tracking could suffer. GPS antenna side should be towards upside. So this is the simple process. No any high-tech knowledge or the information is required. This is very simple. And if in case you facing any kind of problem, we have a support desk which is operational from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Saturday, which number is 9910498240. You can call this number or WhatsApp your query on this number. Our activation team will help you step by step in doing the activation. So nothing more is required in order to activate the device. It is very simple. Once your wiring will be done, our activation team will provide you the application link. According to your uses, if you require the Android link, iOS link, web link, everything will be provided to you. We will provide you a unique ID, which would be the login ID along with the password, which password you can later on change as well as per your wish. So through this way, your activation will be done, and no anything else required. Then after we do have a support desk. In case any problem you face, you can contact our support desk between 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and we are always right there with you. So that's how the activation process works. And at last, I would like to say thanks for purchasing the Acumen GPS track and being one more member in our family. So I hope you will be enjoying the GPS tracking service which is provided by the Acumen. Thank you for buying Acumen GPS track. Have a good day.